Hello everyone, welcome to Sweetie Speaks official YouTube channel. Today we are at day 62 of 111 days verification challenge. The skill set which we are focusing on right now is System Verilog. Today the topic which we are going to take is System Verilog data types FAQs. FAQs means frequently asked questions. Let us see today's questions. The first question is about mailbox. Mailbox is one of the data type which was introduced in System Verilog. It was not there in Verilog. You need to explain what is this mailbox in detail, explain its application, syntax, and create a coding example of mailbox. Now the good thing is a lot of tutorials on System Verilog is already available in Sweetie Speaks official YouTube channel. You can find various series on System Verilog. There is System Verilog tutorial series, System Verilog Essential, System Verilog Oops, System Verilog Assertion. So many series on System Verilog are already available. So the answers of a lot of questions you will directly find in Sweetie Speaks official YouTube channel itself. So solve this question, what is mailbox? Then how will you count the number of elements in a mailbox? There might be some function or some way through which you can count the number of elements in mailbox. You need to explain it, and with the help of coding example, create a mailbox, put some elements in it, and then display how many numbers are there in the mailbox. That's how you will count the number of elements in the mailbox. We have a data type called semaphore in System Verilog. You need to explain what is semaphore and in which scenario the semaphore is used. There are certain scenarios or certain applications in which semaphore can be used. You need to explain those applications. What is the difference between mailbox and queue? We have mailbox in System Verilog. We also have queue. What is the difference between these two data types? Then we have a data type called mutex. What is this mutex? You need to explain in detail. Again with the help of coding example. Explain what is this mutex, in which applications it is used, what is the syntax, and then create a code of mutex, run it. You can use free practice platform like EDA Playground and execute it. Explain how are you going to handle messages in System Verilog. You need to send some messages between different components in your test bench. How are you going to handle those messages? Explain how can we copy and compare arrays in System Verilog. Then explain linked list with an example. There is a data type called linked list in System Verilog. What is this linked list? Explain with an example. What are fixed arrays in System Verilog? Explain its applications. How to find indexes associated with associative array items. We have a concept called as associative array in System Verilog. If you want to find indexes which are associated with a particular array element in your associative array, how are you going to find that index? We have a reactive scheduler in System Verilog. You need to tell what are its applications. There is a concept called as typedef in System Verilog which allows you to create the data type of your own choice. A new data type you can create of your own choice and use it wherever you want. You just need to declare that data type using typedef. You need to explain what is the use of this typedef and explain it with an example. What is struct? Struct is a structured data type in System Verilog. You need to explain it. Again, all these data types you will find the tutorials are already available in System Verilog Essential series. This struct and then union, all these are already available. Check System Verilog tutorial series. A lot of data types will be there. Mailbox, Semaphore are available in System Verilog Essential series. So go through those series, maybe that will help you. First go completely through System Verilog tutorial series, System Verilog Essential series. That itself will help you answer so many questions. So solve these questions today, and then tomorrow I'll see you for day 63 challenge. Best luck.